Now let us see what is covalent bond. Now bond which is formed by sharing of electrons between the combining atoms known as covalent bond. Now as in the previous slide we have seen that carbon can neither lose electron nor gain electron, means it cannot form anion as well as cation, but it can share its electron with the atoms of other elements, and hence the bond which is formed by sharing of electrons between the combining atoms known as covalent bond. Okay, not only carbon but other elements also form covalent bond. Now here you can see the formation of hydrogen molecule. Okay, now as you know the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, means it has just 1 electron in its K shell. Okay, but the maximum capacity of K shell is to occupy 2 electrons. So when will this K shell will stable? Unless and until it will have 2 electrons, but the hydrogen has just 1 electron. So here the hydrogen atom shares its 1 electron with other hydrogen atom. Now you can see the overlapping of orbitals. So each hydrogen shares its 1 electron. As 1 electron is getting 1 electron, we can say, is getting shared from both sides, means as a whole 1 pair of electron is getting shared. So here the single covalent bond is formed. Now you can see the single covalent bond can be shown by a single line. Understood? So this is the way by the hydrogen molecule is formed. Now in another example you can see the formation of oxygen molecule. Now oxygen is very essential gas, as you know. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. So what will be its electronic configuration? 2, 6. Means its K shell is stable, but L shell, which is the valence shell of oxygen, had just 6 electrons. Means how many electrons are required for oxygen to attain stability? 2 more. So here the valency of oxygen is 2. Now you can see 2 oxygen atoms there. Now how many electrons are there in the outermost shell of oxygen? 6. Now here these 6 electrons are denoted by the cross. Now out of these 6 electrons, each oxygen requires 2 electrons for stability. So here 2 oxygen atoms share 2 electrons each. Now entirely how many electrons are getting shared? 4. Means 2 electrons by each oxygen. So here the type of bond which is formed between 2 oxygen atoms is double covalent bond. So what is double covalent bond? The bond in which 2 pairs of electrons are getting shared. How many? 2. 2 pairs of electrons are getting shared is nothing but the double covalent bond. So this is the way by which the oxygen molecule is formed. Now tell me, what is single covalent bond? As it is formed in H2 molecule, single covalent bond means a type of covalent bond which is formed by sharing of 1 pair of electron, only 1 pair of electron.